Hi class 6, welcome back to the maths class once again. So today we are going to discuss the topic of prime factorization. Now when we will talk about prime factorization, one thing is very sure, there is coming the topic of prime numbers. Okay, so when we say the prime factorization, how we are going to deal with that? Okay, so the meaning of prime factorization is the product of two prime numbers, or we can say co-prime numbers. Okay, so here how we are going to deal with that? Say I am taking one number, that is 50. Okay, then we are going to follow the division method. So when we are dividing 50 by a number, what can be coming as the result? So let's divide it by its factor, that is 3. So 3 5s are 15. Okay, now 5 does not have another factor other than 1 and itself, so we can say the product of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. So both of them are the prime numbers, okay, or the co-prime numbers. So we can say that this is the way of prime factorization and this is the method. Okay, so let's take another example. Okay, so when we need to find the prime factors of 12, how we are going to find? First, as we have already said, we are going to follow the division method. Okay, so for that 12 will be divided by what? It can be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by what? 1 and itself. So here first we are going to divide it by the smallest one, that is the 2 other than 1. So 2 6 are 12. Now 6 can be divisible by what? 2, 3, both. So let's divide it by 2 once more. So how we are going to express this? As 2 into 2 into 3. Now we can say 3 and 2 are the prime numbers and prime numbers of each other, and so they are the prime factors of 12. Alright, for the 21, how we can say? For 21, 7 3s are 21. And both of them are the prime numbers. So how we are going to do the last one, that is 24. Let's do this one the way we have followed. So when we need to find what are the prime factors of 24, how we are going to find it out? Let's divide it. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Once again, 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now what are the prime factors? How we are going to find out the prime factors? Prime factors of 24. 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Alright. Now from here we are going to find out the prime factors. 1, 2, 3. Okay. After that what? 2 2s are 4. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. And the final one, 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 24. Now we are going to learn another topic, that is the factor tree. Now what is this factor tree? Now as we have known how a tree goes up or down, just like the way a tree starts its branching like this, then once again like this, right, and it goes on branching gradually. This is how a number, or we are going to spread a number into its branches. By what? By separating their factors. Okay. Just now we are going to see how we do it. Okay. So this is a number 20. Okay. We have taken a number 20. Now from this 20, what are the factors of 20? 4 5s are 20, we can say. Right? So let's write down 5 and 4. Alright. Now see this very carefully and say that whether it can be further divisible or is both of the numbers have any other factors or not. This is 5, this is 4. Are they further divisible? They have their own factors. Let's break this down furthermore. 5 can be branched out further into 5 ones are 5, right? And 4 can be branched into 2 twos are 4. Okay, so this is how we do the branching, or further you can do more of its branching, like 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, so this is how we do the tree branching or factor branching, or factor tree we can find out from here. So this is it for this class, and in our next class we are going to start with the exercise.